I spent years working as an electrician in nuclear power before I decided to trade those high security gates for the dirt and attics of the HVAC world. For 17 years, I've been the guy crawling under your house to figure out why your heat isn't working. Today, I'm bringing that field side perspective to you. We're doing a fair apple to apple comparison between two heavy hitters in the ducted split heat pump world: the American Standard Silver 15 and the Comfortmaker Performance Volume 14. When we look at build quality, we're looking at what protects your investment from the elements. The American Standard Silver 15 comes out of the gate strong with a louvered steel coil guard. In the field, we call that superior armor because it stops hail, stray rocks from the mower, and even the neighbor's dog from flattening those delicate fins. On the other side, the Comfortmaker Performance 14 uses a wire mesh or slotted design with no louvered protection. If you live in an area with heavy storms or active yard work, that open coil is a vulnerability you need to consider. Both of these units are in the basic category, meaning they are single-stage systems. From an electrician's standpoint, these are straightforward machines. They are either 100% on or 100% off. The American Standard pulls ahead slightly on efficiency with an HSPF of 8.5 compared to the 7.5 HSPF on the Comfortmaker. That extra efficiency matters for your power bill because the unit doesn't have to work as long or as hard to pull heat out of the cold air during the winter. I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? It's a common headache that can cost thousands. So tell me your stories in the comments below. Now let's talk about who has your back when things go south. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. However, neither of these specific basic models includes a no-hassle unit replacement warranty. In this matchup, it's a dead heat on paper for the paperwork, but the lack of unit replacement means you'll be paying for the labor to swap that compressor if it ever dies. The winner today is the American Standard Silver 15. It takes the top spot for two reasons. First, that louvered coil protection is a must-have for long-term durability in the field. Second, the 8.5 HSPF rating beats out the Comfortmaker's 7.5, giving you better electrical efficiency for every dollar you spend on your utility bill. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.